Hello everyone, here I discuss the material about the accounting cycles and recording. Before we discuss the following material, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Niputa Rudiantasya. I'm from the Management Study Program with NPM 2441175. Let's discuss accounting cycles and recording process. Definition of the accounting cycles. The accounting cycle is a systematic series of steps in accounting for recording, classifying, summarizing, and presenting a company financial transactions over a specific period. And these cycles begin with transaction identification and with the presentation of financial statement. Number 2, step in the accounting cycle. The accounting cycles consists of several key steps. Number 1, transaction identification. A transaction that affect the company financial position must be intended and analyzed. Journal entry recording. Identified transaction are recorded in a general journal or specific journal. Purchase journal, sales journal, cash receipt journal, and cash distribution journal. Posting to the ledger. After being recorded in the journal, transactions are transferred the appropriate account in the ledger. And trial balance. Once all transactions are posted, a trial balance is created to ensure that debit and credit balance are equal. Adjustment identifying in transaction the record adjustment such as asset depreciation or accrued expense. And adjust trial balance. After adjustment, the trial balance is prepared again. Preparation of financial statement based on the adjusted trial balance. Financial statements such as the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement are prepared. And closing entries. Revenue and expense accounts are closed to prepare for recording in the next period. And pause until closing trial balance. This trial balance is prepared to ensure that all accounts are closed correctly. And number 3, tips or transaction and their recording. Financial transaction. Transaction that directly affect the company's financial position such as sales, purchase, payments, and cash receipt. Non-financial transaction, although not directly impacting financial statement. These transactions should still be recorded as supporting information. And number 4, journal and the role of the journal in accounting. Definition of journal. The journal is the first record in the accounting cycles where its transaction is recorded chronologically. And function of journal. The primary function of journal is to record and summarize transaction for transfer to the ledger. And types of journal. General journal records all types of transaction. And special journal created to record specific transaction such as purchase journal, sales journal, and cash journal, cash distributions, and journal records cash payment. Number 5, ledger and posting to the ledger. The ledger is a collection to account that present the balance for each account used within the company. And function of the ledger groups transaction by type to view the balance of each account. And the posting, the process of the transferring data from journal to the appropriate account in the ledger. And number 6, trial balance. Trial balance, a list of account in the ledger with their final debit and credit balance, and purpose of trial balance to vary that the total debits and credit are balanced. If the trial balance does not balance, it identifies potential recording or posting error that need to be checked and corrected. And number 7, adjusting entries. Adjustments are recorded for transactions that have occurred but have not yet been recorded in the journal. Tips of adjustment. Number 1, prepaid expense that have been paid but not yet used, such as rent or insurance. And accurate revenue and depreciation and accurate expense. And number 8, preparation of financial statement. After all adjustments are made in the trial balance and prepared, the next step is to compile financial statement. Income statement present revenue and expense to determine the company's profit or loss for a specific period, and statement of change in equity, and balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Okay guys, maybe that's all I can say about this material. Thank you for watching until the end video. See you in next video.